Hello darkness, my old friend, I've come to talk with you again. Was a vision softly creeping, left its seeds while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. Restless strings I walked alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, neath the halo of a street light, I turned my color to the golden tide. When my eyes would stand by the flash of a neon light that split the night.